Hello everyone, welcome to another smart project. In this project I am going to show you how you can build easily a smart night light that will turn on and off automatically in the morning and in the evening. Now before building the smart night light, I'm going to introduce you to the main component of this project, the SONOFF 5V Wi-Fi relay module. It is smallest Wi-Fi enabled relay module by SONOFF. It doesn't have any output like you would have with a SONOFF Basic. Now let's compare this briefly. The SONOFF Basic has high voltage input and the same voltage is switched on and off by a relay inside the module. This part of the relay is fully isolated from the other part of the board. The 5V relay here is rated 10 amps and can be used to switch on and off any voltage you like. For example, here I'm going to turn on and off this 230 volt light. I have connected the neutral directly to the lamp, to the light bulb, and the line is being switched through the relay here. Now I need to connect the 5V pins here. The one in the corner is the plus and the other one is the minus. For this project I'm going to use an old 5V phone charger which doesn't have standard cable colors, and that's why it is good to have a multimeter to measure them. If you are going to connect USB cable like this one, then it's easy to figure out. The red line is plus 5V DC, the black one is the minus. Now I have connected the 5V or old phone charger. This module is not protected as SONOFF Basic is, so be careful with high voltage. That can really be dangerous. I have not connected the high voltage cable. I have only connected the 5V, and now the relay is blinking. I have pressed and hold the relay button here for 5 seconds, and now the relay is in pairing mode. Now on my AV-Link app I tap the add or the plus button and then I go to quick pairing. Now the device has been found. I will correct the name to be night light or my night light. And now done. So the night light has been added. I can turn it on and off. Testing once more. The relay is switching on and off. Let me show you some basic settings here on the relay inching settings. Now set to 2 seconds. You have the relay on for 2 seconds only, and then it will be switched automatically off like now. So you turn the relay on and it will automatically switch off. Another feature on the AV-Link app I will use with this relay is the scenes. So I have added a scene that will be automatically turning on my night light. Okay, so I have disconnected the high voltage light or bulb, and that was only to demonstrate you that you can use the relay to switch on and off different devices, regardless what current they are rated. But for my project I have bought this 5 volt USB LED I'm going to use for my project. I will simply use this LED board here, and I can see here that in the left side there is a plus. I will disconnect now the LED module. So I have now connected both cables, the plus through the relay and the minus directly to the input, and it should be ready. So let's test it. I have used instant glue to attach the module here, and I have secured the cable. So the final thing to do is insert this into its final place. And that's it. Now I need to find a dark room to test this. Hey Google, bedtime.
Hey kids, time to go to bed. Good night.